Yun oh, welcome back guys. Pagpapatuloy na natin itong nilalaro natin na Fierce to Phantom. So guys, time check tayo. Mag-11 pa lang. So try natin kung nasa na tayo. Lugogi. Bumalik tayo. Carlson's house. Umanot. Tama naman, di ba? Abandon. Lost Hiker. Tama, abandon. Tama ba? Abandon tayo. Ayan, tigas kasi na itong ano to. Milk tea na to. So, okay. Week later. So, time was flying by. Connor's generator was under maintenance, which means I had to cover this area for the past 2 days. When there were no fires going, the only thing I'll do is check in the corners twice a day. Okay. Tama naman, dito na ba ako? It might be the only time I never ever talk unless I was talking to myself. 2:34 a.m. Oh, ito na naman. Connor
I know it's late, but you're gonna want to see this one, Jack. Jack? Jack, I need you to wake up. You
Ito
copy?
na ba tayo? Utang ina pa kayo, ito na naman yan. Okay. Ito na ba tayo?
Jack, you copy?
Yes,
Tell you
man.
what, I don't have the energy to do this right now. I've been here busting my ass, working on that old piece of garbage generator, and now I'm seeing this. Seeing more smoke to my west. Looks like we got another camper. It appears to be in your sector. You see the campsite from your end?
Teka lang, dito na ba tayo? Okay. Tangin na, alas 2 kasi ng gabi, putang. Alas 2 ng gabi. Okay.
You know what? I don't have it in me to deal with this crap tonight. I'm gonna let you deal with this one. If they don't run away this time, take their photos and IDs. And if things get worse, don't hesitate to call HQ for help. Update me tomorrow morning.
Tangin na, ba't di ka kasi gumawa na ito? Yun ang putang ina eh. Uy. Only thing made me sense the time was take evidence of it. Okay. Takinis. Take a photo. Okay, yari kayo ngayon sa akin. Gago. Tangina, gago. Lah. Bilis na mga gago. Ay. Ina-hide tayo, boss. Hide tayo ngayon. nasave na kaya yung boss? Save na kaya tayo ng boss?
Huh?
Tangina mo, Pacquiao!
Huh?
Ay, bawal ka pala, Pacquiao! Gagang pocha! Tangina yan. First sight, new game, Lost Hiker, abandoned. Something strange, Lost Hiker. Dito na talaga tayo eh. No choice na tayo, boss. Ito na. Wala na, ito na talaga yun. 1 week later. Okay. Blah blah blah, blah blah blah.
We got another one. I know it's Jack.
Inis. Kailangan pala talaga tumakbo tayo dito, boss. Ngayon, hindi ako maisahan ng hayop na to.
You copy? Okay, tell you what. I don't have the energy. I've been here busting my ass. Now I'm seeing more smoke.
Okay, goods. Yeah, bahala sa'yo, boss. Ako bahala sa'yo, boss. Sana? Ayun, pucho. Skull. I don't know. The only thing it made me since time to make evidence of it. Okay, boss. Okay, boss. Okay, take a photo. Oops. Uy. Putang ina nyo. Sige, ako bahala sa inyo. Kahit tayo muna, boss. Sa malupit ang kahit lang.
Huh?
Gago, nakita agad ang puta. Kailangan pala hindi ka maingay. Sapa. Sorry. Kayang, boss. Huh? Puta, may pahaha pa doon. Sige. Puta, kaya ko to, boss. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Game.
We got another one. I know it's
Uminom kasi ako ng ano eh. Milk tea. So dapat pala, hindi ka maingay. May ka, wala, may kita ka.
Jack, you copy? I've been here busting. Seeing more smoke to my west. I don't think. Update me tomorrow morning.
Okay, copy. Ente, no? Bilis eh. You know? Picture na natin yan. Puta. Mabilis ang picture lang, boss, oh. Pak. Nag-flash, eh. Uy. Yun na mo takbo. Hide lang tayo, boss. Hide lang. Tayo tatakbo na ito.
Huh?
Lul. Huwag kang kakabahan, boss. Huwag kang kakabahan, boss.
Huh?
Lo! Ganun, puta sa tayo pupunta na ito. Puta naman. Gay. Baka kailangan natin magtago dun sa ano. Sige. Ganun, tama. Tayo pupunta na ito.
We got another one.
Ay. Pwede kaya tayo magtago dun
Copy.
sa
I've been here but now and it appears to be
sa toilet. Tatago tayo. Pwede ba na?
update me tomorrow morning.
May wala ng tomorrow morning, gagi. Puta. Tomorrow morning, boss. Bang! Bilis ng betag. Bilis naman nung hot na to. Pag tayo susuko, boss. 10 minutes na, oh. Gay, kabala. Ito, mabilis lang to.
We got another one. I know.
Ina mo, Connor. Dapat ikaw lang dito eh. Okay. Manunutas din natin yan.
Copy. I've been here busted. Need more smoke to my west.
Mo smoke yung mukha mo.
Okay, meet him.
Inang yan, wala talaga. Walang talaga. Akala ko pwede ko munang buksan yun. Kailangan din tayo maingay, boss. Kahit muna tayo. Best puta. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin natin. Pero kailangan daw natin tumakbo. So guys, takbo tayo. Huh? So this time dito tayo dadaan, guys. Dito tayo sa woods. Uy, gagi. May huli pa tayo dito. Takina nung yun, nahuli. Baka magtatago tayo dun sa ano, CR boss. Tago tayo sa CR boss. Sige. Ang bobo ko dun, putang inis. Sorry guys ha, hindi pa natin alam kung paano eh. Di-discarte dun eh. Pero ito. Subukan naman natin magtago dun sa CR. Baka makaalis tayo dun. Ito, hindi man lang tayo tinutulungan yan eh. Ho? Ano yun? Ho?
Got another one.
Ay, nako. Game. Ito ni Connor eh. Dapat si Connor kasi yung gumagalaw ulit eh. Check the copy. Take a look. Kasi mumukha mo. Okay. Ayun o. Takinis. Ha? Nagulat yung mga itlog nila eh. Bilis ng mukha niya. Taguan na naman tayo, boss. Taguan na naman. Tangina. Okay, so guys, takbuhan na naman. So try natin magtago na sa CR, boss. Ha? Saan ba siya? Yun o. Uh. Di ba yung naalis dyan? Putang ina yan. Di ba ito alis dyan?
Huh? Huh?
Tanginang yan. Okay na, boss eh. Putsang inang yan. Pwede ba hindi tayo mag-mic? Puta. Textures, hold the back. Ah, okay na. Okay, tama. Doon tayo. Pero wag lang tayo mag-iingay pag ano na tayo. Ah, stress to ah. Okay na eh. Putik to ah.
We got another one.
Ako sa'yo, Connor. Naka.
Jack, I've been here bunking.
Jack mo mukha mo.
Smoke my west.
Tawag naman tawag. Update mo mukha mo. Ina, hindi ako makalayo-layo dito. Okay. Very good. Huh? Si Tropa oh. Tropa, bilis mo ah. Okay. So we'll make a run down. We'll make a run. We will make a run.
Huh?
Ulul, fuck you. Okay. Kaya mag-iingay guys ha. Walang mag-iingay guys. tinatapos. Utang ina boss, nakatakas na tayo boss. Sana tama to dinadaanan natin boss. Ina mo. Utang ina mo, mali na naman dinaanan natin. Utang ina mo, mali na naman. Hindi na tayo natapos ah. Saan dapat tayo dadaan? Okay. Saan pa tayo dapat dadaan? Shit. Siguro diretso na lang kaya natin. Tama ba? Sige, diretso na lang natin.
We got another one. I know it's... Jack? Jack? Jack, you copy? I've been here busting my...
Kailangan na approach tayo.
My west.
Ewan ko. Pero try muna natin try muna natin diretso yun guys.
Sit over this thing. Update me tomorrow morning.
Update mo mukha mo. Okay. Ayan na po sila guys. Ayan, ilitratuwa ko lang itong mga loko-loko na to. Ha? Milo, ang bilis niyo. Ang bilis sa pagbumukha niya, oh. Oh. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Okay guys, takbuhan session naman tayo. Okay. So ang mangyari nito, pupunta tayo sa CR, sa comfort room. After nun, yun so, lul. So kailangan din ulit tayo mag-iingay. Tapos dire-diretso lang tayo guys ha. Walang mag-iingay. Anak ng putya! Ano nangyari dun? Ako ba? Ay, wala naman tayong ginawang ingay dun ah. Tara, guess ka. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Old school.
We got another one.
Sige, matatapusin natin to. Wala naman ingay guys.
I've been here busting. Appears
ang hirap naman eh. Ito sobrang napaka-sensitive ng mic na to. Kinang yan. Hindi pwedeng ano. Okay guys. Subukan nga natin ano. Sana. Huwag nating ano, isara. Huwag natin isara yung pinto. Try lang natin guys. Para mas mabilis ang punta dito. Okay. Basta pabilis yung ano natin pag-play natin kasi natin sinara. So ito ngayon, kailangan di lang tayo mag-iingay guys. Okay.
Huh?
Ulul. Okay, wala mag-iingay guys Sabay. Try lang natin na dire-diretso dito, boss. Dire-diretso lang, boss. Yun. Tang inis yan. So, yung RV natin nandun. Tama po ba? Kaya dire-diretso lang tayo doon, boss. Lagagi naman pa rin tayo. Run! Run, Forrest, run! Fuck you! Yun, guys! Tapos din natin, boss. As adrenaline kicked in, I hit the gas and I drove the nearest ranger cabin. Out of breath, I radioed in to alert the HQ. Look, Jack, we'll all get stir crazy out there mid-chancer. Next morning, authorized allegedly run a small investigation of the area. But of course, they meant no signs of misconduct. No one will ever believe my story. Dismissing it as a product of isolation. Just stick to looking out for fires, Mitch offered. However, that was the last time I set my foot on those woods. The unease still sits heavy in my stomach, even though my years have passed, the experience still feels vivid in my memories. Ooh. My family thought I was making the whole thing up, which really out of my character. But I know what I saw. Sorry guys. Real or not, after dark those woods become heaven and legally activities. So if any of the plan is going camping soon, please be safe. Okay. Okay guys, doon na lang tayo magtatapos. Maganda yung laro natin. Medyo nahirapan lang tayo kasi kailangan pa na natin magtago. Dalawang beses tayo kailangan magtago. Underneath the bed, tapos pangalawa doon sa CR. So, yun, medyo sensitive tong mic natin. Ang bilis natin ma-trigger yung kalaban. Inang yun. Ang talas ng pandilig. Pero, okay lang guys, natapos din natin. Yun. So, try natin maglaro pa ulit ng isa. Pero, ayun nga, hindi mo natin nare-record yung next ating laro para maiwasan natin yung mga ibang mistakes. Pero nonetheless, napaganda ng laro to. Thank you. So, see you next horror episode, guys. See you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.